So we'll be using Gensim's implementation of word2vec for conversion of text into meaningful embeddings. How does word2vec work? You can refer to my previous videos for that. So basically, here you can see the code snippet. Gensims.models import word2vec. Then we would be making a single corpus for all the sentences present in both test and train data set, and then calling out word2vec on the all the sentences. Size equals to 128 means that we wish to have an embedding of size 128 for each word. An iteration would be 20. Minimum count equals to one, that any word which has occurred at least once would have an embedding. Now if we set minimum count equals to 5, any word occurring less than that in the whole document will get eliminated. So using word2vec, we would be Gensim models word2vec, we would be generating embeddings for each of the words in for each of the word in these sentences. Now if you look for certain embeddings, here you can see that the shape of the embeddings that I generated is 13,906 into 128. So 128 is the dimension for each word, and 1000 and 13,906 is the total number of words that we have. So this is the whole array, a sample that I have shown to you just for your understanding.